Hi fellows, good to see you again. In this video we want to learn something easy but useful. We want to learn two adjectives with the word culture. The word culture. And the adjective to culture is cultural, and the adverb form is culturally. Now I want to give you two words that are made with the word culturally, two compound adjectives, culturally aware and culturally sensitive. These are adjectives. These are compound adjectives. When a word, an adjective, is combined from two different words, we call it a compound adjective. Okay, let's dive in. Number one, culturally aware. Culturally aware. What does it mean when we say somebody is culturally aware? When we say a person is culturally aware, it means the person is mindful of cultural differences. The person understands cultural differences and cultural similarities. It means they can easily understand and perfectly understand the differences and similarities between two cultures. For example, a person is culturally aware of Japanese traditions. It means the person understands the nuances of the Japanese culture. He or she, they understand the similarities between Japanese culture, Japanese traditions, and their own culture and traditions. So the person is informed, the person knows, is knowledgeable about the culture. It can be the synonym to culturally conscious and culturally informed, and as it says, understanding and recognizing the differences and similarities between cultures and respecting them. So a person who is culturally aware respects foreign cultures. We have two examples for this word. A culturally aware person appreciates diversity. They appreciate diversity and also the richness of different traditions. They like to learn about diverse cultures, various cultures, and they are knowledgeable about them. And they also appreciate how rich different traditions are. And also, a teacher must be culturally aware, especially a teacher who teaches languages. Let's see the second example. Teachers who are culturally aware adapt their lessons to include various cultural perspectives. They include cultural perspectives, their worldview, cultural views. They include them into their lessons. When these teachers teach, students learn a lot about different cultures, different cultural perspectives. I want to give you some collocations using culturally aware. Culturally aware individuals, people in the society, culturally aware individuals. Culturally aware teaching, that is a good method of teaching. And culturally aware environment, environment in which people are culturally aware and you'll learn a lot about cultures. Now this was our first word. What is the second one? Culturally sensitive. Culturally sensitive. Culturally sensitive. It means somebody who is respectful of different cultures and they pay attention to their behavior when they are placed into a new environment, when they are in a new position, situation, they are confronting, they're facing, encountering different traditions, they are sensitive. They respect the new culture, the foreign culture. They are considerate. The synonym to culturally sensitive is culturally responsive. culturally considerate. They're careful not to bother anyone, not to annoy anyone with their behavior. They behave in a way to respect. So these people are considerate. We call them culturally considerate. What are two examples to this word? It's important to be culturally sensitive when traveling to different countries. Always learn about the differences between the culture of the destination that you're traveling and your home culture, and always respect and follow the rules, the traditions, and the culture of the destination where you travel. Okay? The second example, the organization provides culturally sensitive services to its diverse clients, maybe clients from different countries, different religions, different races. When you are encountering different people in your business, you need to be culturally sensitive. You need to respect everyone, every races, every ethnicities. If you're not culturally sensitive, you may lose a few of them. Now, what are some collocations with culturally sensitive? Culturally sensitive approach, method, approach, culturally sensitive behavior, and culturally sensitive policy. Being culturally sensitive is important in business. You need to have a culturally sensitive approach. It is important in your behavior as you travel to another country. So it's important to show a culturally sensitive behavior. And as a governor, you need to pay attention to the culture of your people, of the people who lives in a country, and set culturally sensitive policies. Now, let's review. We learned about culturally aware, like a culturally aware method teaching individuals or culturally aware environment. I've learned culturally sensitive. We had culturally sensitive approaches, behaviors or policies. Haven't you subscribed to my channel yet? Now is the time. Hit the subscribe button and you will see me very soon. My name is Arash from Arash English Academy.